and welcome to this session on Make Bore by Trepanning. Let us begin with the session.
Let us now look at the objectives of this session. At the end of this session, you will be able to set the square plate on a 4-jaw chuck. To cut the 70 mm diameter with the help of trepanning tool. Measure the diameter with the help of steel rule. The tools required for this exercise are steel rule, chuck key, drill chuck, drill bit, trepanning tool, box panner. Trepanning is the operation of producing a hole by removing metal along the circumference of a hollow cutting tool. Trepanning is performed by using a hollow cutting tool. Trepanning is a technique used for drilling larger diameter holes where machine power is limited, where fewer chips are removed and much of the material of the hole can be removed as it is. Trepanning is performed on very thin workpieces at a very low spindle speed. It can be performed simultaneously on properly aligned multiple sheets so that when they are separated, the hole produced in each sheet will be of uniform size and will be located uniformly from the edge. Let us now learn the sequence to make the bore by trepanning. Check the dimensions of the workpiece using steel rule. Hold the square plate on 4-jaw chuck. Set the job on the 4 jaws by adjusting equal distance of reference concentric circle line. Mount the drill chuck to tailstock spindle. Hold the diameter 10 mm drill on the drill chuck. Perform drilling operation to obtain a pilot hole of 10 mm through the entire length. Fix the guide pin to the trepanning tool. Set the trepanning tool to drill chuck of tailstock to make a bore of 70 mm dia. Clamp the tool holder in correct position and center height. Select and set correct RPM. Locate the guide pin to the guide hole of the job. Move the tailstock, giving a gradual depth of cut. Make a bore of diameter 70 mm through the 6 mm depth. Stop the machine and remove inner piece. Trepanning tool is withdrawn carefully. Check the dimensions. To recap, we have learned to set the square plate on a 4-jaw chuck. To cut the 70 mm diameter with the help of trepanning tool. Measure the diameter with the help of steel rule.
So that's all about making bore by trepanning. See you in the next session.